Hello everyone, let me introduce my group. 1. Is Ahmad Ainur Syihas Abdillah. 2. Desita Nur Solihah. 3. Lailatur Magfirah. 4. Nia Munismati. And last 3 is Sri Agustina Rahayu. Without learning any longer, we just go to the material to make suggestion.
Let's post verb when using the word. Let's for making suggestion in English must be accompanied by a verb. The use of the word let's can mean an implied invitation or message that illustrates that I have a suggestion we can do. Example of sentence 1. Let's go to a movie. 2. Let's try this restaurant. 3. Let's arrange a meeting. 4. Let's not to go to a zoo and stay at home instead. Why don't plus subject plus verb. In English, the use of the pars why don't interest to give advice in a more friendly language. This means that why don't can have several meanings like the example below. Example of sentence. Why don't we go a movie? Why don't mean like let's go. Why don't you come around 8? Why don't mean like I suggest that you come around 8.
Making suggestions shall plus I or we plus verb. Sometimes the use of the word shall also means let us to be more formal. The word okay is usually used as an explanation at the end of the question. Example of sentences. 1. Shall I open the door? 2. Is that okay with you? 3. Shall we open your gift now? Making suggestions short. The most common way of giving advice is to use modal short. For example, when someone is confused about the easiest way to learn English, maybe you can give him a suggestion like you should take an English course if you want to improve your English. This means that the use of the word should seems to indicate that the suggestion of highly recommended to be carried out by the listeners. Example of sentences. I. I failed my English class. B. You should talk to your teacher and get the help you need during the term.
Making suggestion. Call the use of the word call in giving advice to someone is seen as softer than the word short. Example of sentence. A. What should we do on the weekend? B. Why don't we go on a picnic in Lembang? There are many beautiful campgrounds. A. Yes, we could go on picnic.
Offer is an offer of something to someone else. In English, offer can be used as a verb, and noun. Noun. In offering something to others, you must use the right words and expressions so that other people will accept the offer we give.
Triana, may I help you? Nandra, yes please. Could I have something for a calf? Triana, I'd suggest a box of TC Calf Drop. Nandra, thank you. Contoh dialog suggestion dan offer dalam bahasa Inggris. Billy, so we have some loans? Bila, great idea. I'm hungry. Billy, but where shall we eat? Bila, do you know a good and cheap place? Billy, shall we go to the cafe near the office? Or do you want to try the new restaurant around here? Bila, I think we just go to the cafe near the office. It's cheaper than the restaurant, right? Contoh dialog suggestion dan offer dalam bahasa Inggris. Reza, so I bring 1. Expressions of asking suggestion. Do you have any suggestions for me? What should I do? Do you have any ideas? What do you recommend? What do you suggest? Any idea? Can you tell me what should I do? Will you give me some suggestions, please? Can you give me some advice about? Do you have any advice for me? I need your suggestion. 2. Expressions of giving suggestion. You should. V1. You need. 2. V1. You had better. V1. You ought to. V1. I think you should. V1. I advise you to. V1. I suggest you to. V1. I suggest that you. V1. I recommend you to. V1. Maybe you should. V1. What about? Think. How about? Think. Let's. V1. Why don't you? V1. Asking and giving suggestion is an expression that we use to request and provide advice or recommendations in English. What is the definition of the purpose of asking and giving suggestion and advice? The goal is to tell what the best option is to do in order to solve a problem, avoid harm, or simply choose the best thing. Well, in English, there are many expressions that can be used when giving and asking for advice. Let's take a look at the examples right away. Important note: advice is an uncountable noun, so the plural form of advice is still advice without the s.